y'all. Rissy left me in charge in the kitchen. I don't know why she would do that. But we're gonna go ahead and make this Korean barbecue. We're gonna follow the instructions, because you know when we don't follow the instructions, things go wrong. So far we got the cup of hot water boiling. I'm a little too short to reach the oil, so I'll put that in later. I do have the 1/4 cup of soy sauce right here. All right, here we go, y'all. Combine them. Gotta open it first. Oh, shit. Okay, what's the contents? What are the contents? I don't get it. I guess it told me to stir it in. I'm not really stirring. I'll stir it in a second. Dude, this looks crazy. It's like breaded meat. Oh, thanks! Alright, y'all, we got past the first level. No. Oh my god, this flash. Alright, cutting onions is one of the worst things you could possibly do in the kitchen, because it just makes you cry. I don't know what onions have against humans, but darn! Oh my god, look at it. Here it goes. Look at that. Oh shit. It went on the ground. Alright, bro. This shit is smelling delicious over here, bro. And the rice is good. We are sauteing the onions. Food is done. It's completo. We've never had this. It's a vegetarian meat Korean barbecue. It would be good in the lettuce wrap. Hot.
Just really hot. It's like a little salty.
Good in a burrito.
Like a fusion burrito.
I'm ready to eat it on top of your cookie.
Ew.
Sugar cookie.
Sounds like cock and meat.
It's too hot. Very salty, but that's how much soy sauce I said, but I don't know.
I like the salt.
Yeah?
Oh. I just keep burning my mouth. Hot.
And then eat again. The best and only solution to end world hunger is to feed people. That is the only solution to world hunger. The only way we can get past this bump in the road is if we feed those that are hungry. Then they won't be hungry. I knew I was know.
As everything is slowly catching up to you.
Why she keep touching my bottle, bro?
I don't know. It's touchable.
Guys, I'm gonna puke.